Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create an image using AI tool. Here you can type Google Flow and then open this website. Now scroll down and click here Create with Flow. And after that click on Next button. Then accept terms and conditions, click on Continue button, and after that click here Start New Project. After that here you will find out multiple options. Click here Create an image. Now let me search for create an image of flying taxi. Then click here. Here you can see we got professional and copyright free images. You can easily edit these images here. After that you can click here download button and you can save these images in your laptop. For example, if you want to change flying taxi color to yellow black. Okay, that's great. Here you can see you can easily change anything. Just you need to type in text format. After that it will work according to your requirements. After that click here and now we can view this image. This looks great.